Hello everybody, welcome to the Truth Seekers channel. In today's episode we are going to talk about Hercules. Everybody knows Hercules, especially the movies, and the latest one was with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. But not everybody knows about the 12 Labours of Hercules, and that is what this episode is about. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. 1. The Nemean lion. This monster of a lion had a hide, was so tough that no arrow could pierce it. Hercules stunned the beast with his olive wood club, and then strangled it with his bare hands. It is said that he skinned the lion using the lion's sharp claws, and ever after wore its hide. 2. The Lernaean Hydra. The evil snake-like Hydra had 9 heads. If one got hurt, 2 would grow in its place. But Hercules quickly sliced off the heads, while his charioteer, Iolaus, sealed the wounds with a torch. Hercules made his arrows poisonous by dipping them in the Hydra's blood. 3. The Ceryneian Hind. The goddess Artemis loved and protected this stubborn little deer, which had gold horns. Hercules found it a challenge to capture the delicate hind without hurting it and making Artemis angry. After following the hind for an entire year, he safely carried it away. 4. The Erymantian boar. The people of Mount Erymanthus live in fear of the deadly animal. Hercules chased the wild boar up the mountain and into a snowdrift. He then took it in a net and brought it to King Eurystheus, who was so frightened of the beast that he hid in a huge bronze jar. The 5th Labour of Hercules, the Aegean stables. Thousands of cows lived in these stables belonging to King Augeas. They had not been cleaned in 30 years, but Hercules was told to clean them completely in a single day. To do so, he made 2 rivers bend so that they flowed into the stables, sweeping out the filth. 6. The Stymphalian birds. These murderous birds lived around Lake Stymphalus. Their claws and beaks were sharp as metal, and their feathers flew like darts. Hercules scared them out of their nest with a rattle, and then killed them with the poison arrows he had made from the Hydra's blood. 7. The Cretan bull. This savage bull, kept by King Minos of Crete, was said to be insane and breathed fire. Hercules wrestled the mad beast to the ground and brought it back to King Eurystheus. Unfortunately, the king set it free, and it roamed Greece, causing terror wherever it went. 8. The mares of Diomedes. King Diomedes, leader of the Bistones, fed his bloodthirsty horses on human flesh. Hercules and his men fought and killed King Diomedes, fed the king to his horses. This made the horses tame so that Hercules was able to lead them to King Eurystheus. 9. The Belt of Hippolyta. Hercules went to the land of the Amazons, where the queen welcomed him and agreed to him her girdle for Eurystheus' daughter. But Hera spread then rumor that Hercules came as an enemy. In the end, he had to conquer the Amazon and steal the golden belt. 10. The Cattle of Geryon. Geryon, a winged monster with 3 human bodies, had a herd of beautiful red cattle. He guarded his prized herd with the help of a giant and a vicious 2-headed dog. Hercules killed Geryon, the giant and the dog, and brought the cattle to King Eurystheus. 11. The golden apples of the Hesperides. The Hesperides were nymphs. In their garden grew golden apples, protected by Ladon, a dragon with 100 heads. Hercules struck a bargain with Atlas, who held up the earth. Hercules shouldered the earth, while Atlas, the nymph's father, fetched the apples. 12. Cerberus. Hercules was ordered to capture Cerberus, the 3-headed guard dog of the underworld, without using weapons. Hercules wrestled down the dog's wild heads, and it agreed to go with him to King Eurystheus. Cerberus was soon returned unharmed to the underworld. Alright, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed the 12 Labours of Hercules. And we will continue with the next episode with other mythological or other great and interesting topics. Leave a comment below, like this video, and share and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.